Hello, Don Master here. Got a Cornwell tool haul for you, and been looking for a light-duty diesel compression tester, and I had my Cornwell dealer order me one last week, and it showed up today. And also I got a temp kit, power probe. Figured it'd be handy to have for AC season, and curious how cold the inside of my car gets. It's about 100 degrees outside right now, and I got the AC cranked, and it says 150 outside, but I have it mounted under the hood somewhere. It's not that accurate, but inside's about 60. Ice cold. That's what I like about Toyota, man. They got good AC. This is a 96 Camry V6 engine, and I got the AC really dialed in. Just nice and Arctic in here. So anyway, I got that for 50 bucks. And my Cornwell dealer gave me a deal on this. Normally it's $209, and he sold this to me for $179. And this is a really nice kit, and it's actually assembled in the USA with global components. And this is the GSI 2025 Light Truck Diesel Compression Test Kit. Includes adapters for the glow plugs for pre-2005 Duramax, 2005 and later Duramax, Dodge Cummins ISB, which is this adapter, which also works on the 6.7 and 5.9. You use this and this with the injector hold down bolts. It comes with the Ford 7.3 Power Stroke adapter for glow plugs. It comes with the glow plug adapter for the Ford 6.7 Power Stroke and the 6-liter and 6.4 Power Stroke. 12-inch steel hose reinforced, dual scale 0 to 1000 psi gauge with boot and relief valve. So for the price, you can't really beat it. I looked around on Amazon, and they have cheaper ones for like 50 to 100 bucks. But they're not really specific on what motors they cover, and Cornwell has a few different options, and this is kind of the middle of the road one. They had a cheaper one, but it didn't come with this adapter for Cummins. So let's crack this guy open and see what we got. So there it is with the packaging off. And as you can see, it comes with a 0 to 1000. Pretty good quality gauge. For measuring your compression. With a relief right here. And here's your various glow plug adapters. There's one. There's another one. A couple more here. One there. Nice quick connect for your to hook onto those adapters. Couple extra Schrader valves. And the Cummins adapter, which a lot of the diesel compression test kits don't come with. That's why I ordered this one, because it was a cheaper kit that came with this. So this is a machined piece, and that seals down where your injector goes. This would replace the injector, and then this piece bolts on top of it. and you use your injector hold down bolts like that, and then you hook it up here. So I think it'll work pretty good. I'm pretty excited to use it. Not sure when I'm gonna get the chance to use it, but I'm sure it'll work good for the price. You know, I was looking at some of the bigger kits. They're around 500 bucks. This comparable kit on the macro truck is around 400, and I wasn't gonna spend 400 bucks. And this has all the adapters for the light duty diesel pickups, which is what I need for now, for side jobs or whatever. And then at work we have the master kit, comes with everything. But as time goes by, if I need other adapters, I can just order them from Cornwell, and they're pretty inexpensive. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy I got this. My Cornwell dealer is actually a pretty good guy. He if you make your payments and you're good to him, he seems to treat you right and give me pretty good deals. So, and he seems to have a decent amount of stuff on his truck. When I first started getting on the Cornwell truck, I didn't really see much, but sometimes you got to dig and look around. You got to look at your options, and that's kind of what it is, what it's about. So hope you guys like the small little haul. And yeah, that's the light duty diesel truck compression test set, GSI 2025. Comes in a nice blow molded case with a handle, pretty good quality. And then yeah, the power probe here, well, it was kind of in the sun, measuring pretty hot. So anyway, I hope you guys like this, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.